let's do one question here with the hourglass, right? Let's read the question. An hourglass is made using identical double glass cone of diameter 10 centimeter each. Okay, so when you see hourglass, there are basically two cones, right? It's made up of glass only. Yes, we can see through it. There is a sand or a liquid, depends. So there are two cones or identical. Identical means what? They are exactly same in size. Remember, so this is one cone, this is another one, right? And diameter is given, which is 10 centimeter. Let's label 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Then diameter is given 10 centimeter. So if we want to get the radius, that will be half of it. So 10 divided by 2, 5 centimeter. Okay, nice. If total height of 24 centimeter, right, then find the surface area of the glass used in making it. Okay, so total height is also given, which is 24 centimeter. Remember, when we talk about the total height, we are talking about two hourglasses, right? We are talking about two hourglasses. We are not talking about only one, remember. So if we want to get the height of the only one cone, let's say up to this, that is what? Can you guess it? That will be 12 centimeter. Why? Because it is mentioned in the question that they are identical, same in size. If this is total is 24, this will be of 12 centimeter height and this another will be of 12 centimeter height. So in reference to the cone, we have radius, we have height as well. So let's start with the cone and we are going to write the things that we have and we are going to find the surface area. So cone it is. Cone, we should be having radius and we should be having height. So let's start with the radius. It is given diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. So diameter means what? 2 times radius. So if we want the value of radius, that will be half of it, that is 5 centimeter. Done for the radius. Now about the height. Height, always remember it is perpendicular. So here let's write h is equal to 24 by 2, which is 12 centimeter. I told you the reason behind that because both cones are identical. They have same radius, they have same diameter and they have same height as well. So done. Now to find the surface area of the cone, let's say surface area of cone. For that, what's the formula? Which is pi r l. We did this in previous sum as well. So we need to have the value of L. We know the formula how to find the value of R with the help, how to find the value of L with the help of R and H. So what's the formula for L? That is L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. So here H is what? 12 centimeter and square it is, plus R is what? 5 and square it is. Now so square of 12, which is 144, plus 5, which is 25, and if you add up you will get, guess what? 169. And what's the square root of 169? Which is 13 centimeter. So that's the value of L, which is 13 centimeters. So L is equal to 13 centimeter. Let's get back to the surface area of the cone. Now when we find the surface area of the cone, we consider the lateral or curved surface area of the cone. What about this pi r square which is at the bottom? This area I want to talk about. Pi r square, right? So don't forget that we need to add pi r square as well, right? So let's talk about it. So when I talk about the surface area total, so surface area, which is what? Let's take pi common, r common, L plus R. Then let's keep pi as it is. We have value of R, which is 5 here. Okay. Then L plus R, 13 plus R again, which is 5 only. So done. here 5 and 5 and 13 plus 5 is what? 18. 18 5s are what? You are going to get 90 pi centimeter square. But this is the surface area of only what? One cone. But what about the second one, right? For that we know that this both cones are identical. So area of this is 90 pi. Then what will be the area of this second cone? That also will be 90 pi. So what's the total surface area? That is 90 plus 90, 180. So let's write the final, then we are done with the sum. So total surface area, that is, you can multiply with 2 as well. So 2 multiplied by 90 pi. So 180 pi centimeter square. If you want to substitute the value of pi, you will get the answer in decimal. That's why I kept it as it is. This answer is still correct. Let's recall the steps. So we have two identical cones. It is hourglass only. So radius is given, indirectly diameter is given. So 5 centimeter we get the radius. Then we have height, because total height is given of the hourglass and both of them are equal. So 24 divided by 2. So 12 and 12, that is done 12 centimeter. Then surface area of the cone, pi RL. Don't take only pi RL, but you need to consider the area of the base as well, which is pi r square. But we don't have the value of L. So get with the help of formula, then substitute the values. Remember, we need to get the surface area of two cones. So multiply by 2. So this is how we find the surface area of the hourglass.